Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare for SEO speed optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Cloudflare account if you haven't already. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on sign up. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to add your website. Type in your website's URL and click add site. Choose a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs. Starting with the free option is a good idea. Cloudflare will then scan your DNS records. This process may take a few moments. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records. Make sure all your existing DNS records are present. After confirming the DNS records, click Continue. Next, you will need to change your name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with their name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website. Find the Domain Management section and locate the option to update name servers. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save your changes. Return to Cloudflare to verify the name servers have been updated. This process might take up to 24 hours due to DNS propagation. Once verified, you will see your website's status as active. Now, navigate to the SSL/TLS section in the Cloudflare dashboard. Select the SSL option that best fits your site, usually full is a good choice. Next, head to the speed section in the Cloudflare dashboard. Here, enable Auto Minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Check the Rocket Loader option to improve loading times for JavaScript. In the caching section, set the caching level to standard. Consider enabling Always Online to serve cached pages when the origins. Now move to the Firewall section. Set up basic security rules to protect your site from malicious traffic. You might also want to configure the Browser Integrity Check. Next, go to the Network tab. Enable HTTP/2 and WebSockets for better performance. For images, navigate to the Optimization section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.